Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the Quokka extension for Visual Studio Code, a fantastic tool that allows you to quickly test JavaScript and TypeScript code without the need for complex project setups. Whether you're a beginner or just want to experiment with new ideas, this extension is perfect for quick, real-time code testing. Quokka, well, it's an amazing tool for quickly testing snippets of code. Whether you're working on a side project, learning a new concept, or debugging an issue, Quokka saves you time and makes coding much more efficient. It also supports both JavaScript and TypeScript, making it a versatile tool for developers working in either language. To install Quokka.js in Visual Studio Code, follow these simple steps. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar. Search for Quokka.js and click the Install button. Main features of Quokka.js. Instant feedback. Quokka runs your code instantly as you type it. No need to wait or run it in a terminal. This makes it a perfect tool for testing out quick ideas. Inline results. One of the most useful features is how it shows the results in line. You'll see return values, variable contents, and even errors directly in the editor next to the line of code where they appear. Console output. Quokka allows you to view all console logs, errors, and other outputs directly in the editor or in a special output panel. Debugging made easy. While Quokka isn't a full debugger, it helps you catch errors and see what's happening in your code right as you write it. Quokka.js has a free version with most of the core features. However, there is also a pro version that includes additional advanced features, such as better error debugging and support for more languages. Once installed, you can start using Quokka by simply opening a new JavaScript or TypeScript file and selecting Start Quokka from the command palette. In summary, Quokka.js is a powerful tool that can help you experiment, test, and debug your JavaScript and TypeScript code faster and more efficiently. If you haven't already, definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.